Welcome to a short video summary of the Lyngdorf TDAI-2170 stereo amplifier with RoomPerfect. You can read the full in-depth review via the link in the description or by clicking the link in the card at the top right of the video. The Lyngdorf is a high-end hi-fi stereo amplifier that incorporates the company's proprietary RoomPerfect room equalization software. The basic model with limited connections retails for £2,800. The design is sleek and the build quality is first class, with a solid aluminium body and glass display area to the front left. This display has the Lyngdorf logo to the bottom left and illuminated RoomPerfect logo when it's being used to the bottom right. In the middle is a different coloured display for all your menu options and settings. There are no on-screen menus if connected to a TV or projector. In the middle of the front panel is the source select knob, and further to the right is a large and extremely well weighted volume dial. The volume moves in the decimal point range, so such a lightweight and spinnable control works really well. The rest of the front face here is a minimalist metal surface with just a power button and model name to the far right. The supplied remote control is long and made from plastic, which is a bit of a letdown given the rest of the high quality materials on offer. But it fits neatly in the hand and all the important buttons are within easy thumb reach. Around the back we have all the connections, and on the basic model you get two analog stereo RCA inputs and one output, which doubles as the subwoofer out, and the microphone input for RoomPerfect. You also get 4 optical and 2 digital inputs with one output. And wrapping up, we have an RS-232 LAN port and 12V trigger in and out and the speaker binding posts. However, you will notice on this review sample that we have more connections, and these are optional models that you can spec. Each module costs £495 each, and we have more analog stereo RCA inputs and balanced XLR ins on one module. The next is the USB port, which will accept iOS and Android OS devices so that you can get the most out of streaming services like Tidal. And finally, we have HDMI inputs that support HDCP 2.2 and 4K 60p video signals and one output, allowing video switching between devices with a 4K 60p pass-through. Overall, a fully specified TDAI-2170 will set you back £3,995. The main talking point with the Lyngdorf is the RoomPerfect EQ system, and inside the box at no extra cost are a metal tripod, a calibrated microphone and all the cabling that's required. This allows the user to set up and calibrate the system on their own. By taking numerous measurements, you build up the room knowledge, and finally the system will apply a filter based on removing the worst parts of the room effect on the final sound quality. You can then choose between focus, which focuses on the sweet spot within the listening position, or global, which widens that out to more seating positions. You can also bypass RoomPerfect and hear exactly what effect it's having on the final sound. If all that isn't enough, you can also choose further house curves for the EQ system to change the sound to your tastes, or leave it in the neutral position as we did for this review. Overall, the Lyngdorf TDAI-2170 is an expensive but excellent 2-channel audio system, and RoomPerfect is one of the most advanced EQ systems we've ever used. It's also simple to use and everything comes in the box. Sound quality is excellent, and we go into sound quality in great detail in the written review, which you can read by clicking the card top right of the video. Needless to say, it sounds superb and it gets our highly recommended badge. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, and to see more videos like this, why not subscribe to the channel? You can also find more reviews, news and articles like this on avforums.com, Europe's largest community for TVs, home cinema, tech and movies. Thanks for watching.